All right, got to make sure I get through all the information because there is one more thing after multiplicity I want to talk about. So ladies and gentlemen, in multiplicity, let's say I gave you guys another problem. If we had more time, we would do this problem. If I said another problem to find the zeros, you guys would relate this to 0. Then you'd say x squared plus 6x plus 9. Right? And then we go and factor this. And we'd say, what two numbers multiply to give you 9, add to give you 6? And you'd say, oh, 0 equals x plus 3 times x plus 3. Correct? Do you guys see how I have two factors, but the factors are exactly the same? Correct? So I still have my two solutions, my two factors, but they occur, it's the exact same one. That's kind of what multiplicity is. Okay? It's still giving you your two solutions. It's just that they're exactly the same. So then I could rewrite this, though, as x plus 3 squared. M is equal to 2 in this case. Do you guys see how I wrote the linear factor? 2 is my multiplicity. Does everybody see that? That's my multiplicity. So what does that tell you about this graph? It tells you the graph bounces at x equals 3. Bounces at x equals, x equals negative 3, so that'd be at negative 3. Let me explain why I got negative 3. Again, that's x minus a, so you got to take the opposite of it. In reality, though, can we solve this for x? Yes, you take the square root of both sides. You can't take plus or minus 0, so 0 equals x plus 3 minus 3, x equals negative 3. So we know the 0, or the x-intercept, is at negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And we know that the graph bounces at x equals negative 3. Do you guys see how that represents it? It's still one x-intercept. However, it occurs twice. So since the multiplicity is 2, that tells us it still satisfies our two solutions. Kind of makes sense? A little bit? Yes or no?